All right, so we are going to go through the troubleshooting challenge 5. All right, so the first one we're going to deal with is describe how to perform a soft reset on an Apple device. Now this is going to be very, very easy. All you need to do is hold down the power button and the home button for 10 seconds, and this will shut down the phone and restart it. And it gives it a soft reset. It's pretty easy just to be able to reset things and be able to go through everything. Resets everything so that if the phone is frozen or something like that, goes all the way through that. The next one is describe how iOS users can find the user guide on their device. They actually don't have it held on the actual user device. All you have to do is you have to go into iTunes, go into the iBook store, and download it from the iTunes store. It's very easy, and you have it right there on your phone. You can go through it. It's a couple hundred pages long. The next thing is describe and demonstrate how to use SmartCheck. SmartCheck is the device that's usually in the middle of the store. You plug in your phone, you put all the information, you basically just follow the prompts. It kind of works through, and basically it troubleshoots your device, and then it fixes any sort of software problems. Now, hardware problems it doesn't work on, but software problems it does. So it's very helpful to do it that way. The next thing is describe how to do a soft reset on a Samsung Galaxy device. Now, it's very similar to the Apple device, except for this time all you do is you hold the power button and the volume up button to do the soft reset. It does the exact same thing. If it's stuck, something like that, it turns the phone off and restarts it so that it can run through its devices. Next thing is describe 3 steps you would take to help a customer having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi. The first thing is you want to make sure that the Wi-Fi option is on. The next thing is you check that the password on that Wi-Fi is correct if they have a WPN, something like that. And the next thing is then you want to perform a soft reset on the phone. Sometimes, you have issues with that, and so it works that way. The next thing is create a video tutorial of how to connect a wireless device to an accessory using Bluetooth. So I'm going to show you right here. Okay, you're on an iPad. You got to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. And then it makes sure that it's now discoverable. Then you, on the device, make sure that it is also discoverable, and then you connect the two. Usually there is some sort of code or something that you would put on your device, and it just kind of connects through that way. The next one is the customer returns to a store complaining of battery drain on a recently purchased Android tablet. So just 3 ideas to extend the charge. Now the first thing is you want to make sure that they do not leave the battery or the phone plugged in overnight. That will really hurt the lithium-ion battery, and that really messes things up. The next thing is just have them buy a new battery, or the next one is have them buy an external battery pack. Now obviously it's not going to extend the phone itself, but it will extend the life of them being able to use it, because then they will be able to charge it on the go. And the last thing on this one is describe what airplane mode is and how to enable it and why customers might want to use it. Now, airplane mode is really awesome. Usually you can just use it on airplane, but sometimes it is an easier way than a soft reset if something's going slow. You want to reset the Wi-Fi, reset the LTE if the LTE is messing up. It's very, very simple how to enable it, especially on an iPhone. You just swipe up, hit the button, and then hit the airplane button. Everything turns off, and then you turn it back on. I believe it is the same way with an Android device as well. Basically, it turns off all Wi-Fi and LTE and Bluetooth connections completely, basically turning it into a tablet, and then it comes right back on. Everything comes back once you turn off the airplane mode. So that's about it, and yeah, awesome.